Hey, it's me, Tyler. I read the nonfiction book The Physics of Superheroes by James Kakalios. It was published in 2009 and has 369 pages of reading in it. In this book, James discusses 25 topics that an introductory physics course would cover, except using comic book superheroes. A few topics and their superheroes are forces in motion, Superman; Newton's law of gravity, Krypton; impulse and momentum, Spider-Man; friction, drag, and sound, The Flash; properties of matter, Ant-Man; and fluid mechanics, Aquaman. He starts every chapter by introducing a superhero. He then describes what their powers are, and why they do or do not agree with the laws of nature and physics. To do this, James uses imaginable scenarios, possible experiments, and useful analogies to show why one possible theory for shrinking people wouldn't work. The theory is that the atoms are compressed or made denser. He represents this by having you imagine glass marbles in an adjustable container, and when the container walls close in, the marbles don't get denser. They just break. As he does this, he tells you what scientific principle or principles this represents. By the end of the book, you realize how much physics is involved in the world around you, and that you now understand that physics. I thought it was a good book, and it makes you feel smarter when you finish. I would recommend it to most readers because James is very good at explaining the material, but you do need to half know what he's talking about. I would give it about an 8 out of 10 because of how much you learn. And that is